Okay, today in robotics class, we worked more on levers, and I shared this example with the class. A neighbor of mine gave me a storage building, and in order to get it over to my place, I had to pick it up, and I had to put it on some skids. But I wasn't strong enough to just bend down and pick it up. So I had to make use of a lever, and it went something like this. I had, I should say 6, I had an 8-foot 4x4, and I weigh approximately 155 pounds. So my question to the class was, how much weight was I picking up if I configured it like this? I set up a fulcrum, like a seesaw or teeter-totter, only one side is longer than the other side. Now we're going to be using our formula, distance 1 times weight 1 equals distance 2 times weight 2. And to figure out how much weight I was actually picking up, I'm going to assume that I use my total weight here to pull down on this 4x4. So on this half of the scenario, I've got a distance of 6 and a weight of 155. So I'm going to set that equal to D1 and W1. 6 times 155. Now on the other side, the left-hand side, all I have is a distance. It's okay, that's all that I will need is that distance times W. When I'm done, I will know how much weight I was picking up just using my body weight and this lever system. So 6 times 155. You see, 6 times 155 equals 930. So this side simplifies to 930. This side simplifies to 2W. Now I don't want 2W, I just want W. The 2 is being multiplied, so to undo multiplication I need to divide. Divide this side by 2, it makes that 2 go away. And then also divide this side by 2. 930 divided by 2 is about 455, I believe. I will check it here in just a moment. Make that 465. Let's see. 930 divided by 2, 465. So in this configuration, I was able to lift 465 pounds. Woo! That makes me pretty strong. Not really. But here's what I want to know. In this configuration, what is the maximum amount that you could lift with your weight? You will do exactly the same calculation, except right here, instead of being 155, it'll be however much you weigh. If you weigh 155, then the problem's already done for you. So your maximum lifting capacity for this setup. Okay. Then I want to know, how would that change if you slid this 4x4 back this way? In other words, if your distance 1 became 7 and your distance 2 became 1, how much more weight could you pick up? So for exercise 2, distance 1 equals 7 foot. Distance 2 equals 1 foot. Weight 1 is your weight. And weight 2 will be the answer that you calculate. It will be the total amount that you're able to lift with this fulcrum, this lever, in this configuration. Here's the formula. Plug in the values and work it out just like we did right here. And that's basically what we did today in robotics class. Thanks, bye.